Hi, in this video I am going to demonstrate fog enabled IoT system for a real-time data acquisition and visualization. So here I am using ESP32 is a 38 pin programming device, and here this is BME 280 sensor. You can see it's a sensor is exactly square type, and here when you go little technical you can see some 5 layers. This system contains 5 layers. One is the perception layer where BME280 sensor captures data like a temperature, humidity and pressure. So this sensor is interfaced with the ESP32 through the protocol called as I2C protocol. Then the second layer is transportation layer where we come across the Wi-Fi and MQTT protocol, which carries the data from ESP32 to Raspberry Pi, which acts as a gateway. And the third layer is perception layer where ESP this gateway comes into picture, where Raspberry Pi is a main focus of interest, which acts as a gateway. So it is running MQTT protocol and Node-RED as well. Okay. Then coming to application layer where we can visualize the data on Node-RED. Then business layer, so it is for data analysis, reporting, etc. So now you can see here this is a ESP32 program. Here you can see the library set of libraries are used. Then you can see the SSID password. Then this is a gateway IP address. So in this case I just disable this credentials of broker, that is MQTT protocol. You can see here, you can see this one somewhere. I can find here. I just disabled it. Yeah, this one. This line I just disabled so that the security credentials are not required for MQTT broker to use. So this is about the programming part of ESP32. That is this entire code is deployed on this device, and this is a sensor connected. Okay, now coming to the edge device, that is Raspberry Pi, which acts as a gateway. So here I just installed this MQTT broker. Okay, so here MQTT broker is running, and you can see it is subscribed for the different topics. You can see temperature, pressure and humidity of this sensor. This is the data given by this sensor is sending to this MQTT broker running on Raspberry Pi. It goes something like this. You can see here, this is the actual thing. You can see this MQTT is running on Raspberry Pi, and Node-RED also running on Raspberry Pi. This ESP32 acts as a client, MQTT acts as a broker. So whatever the data sent by the Raspberry Pi, from the sensors, it will be received by the MQTT broker, since it is subscribed from the Node-RED. So therefore MQTT broker is receiving it. So that's what I can see here. You can see here this one. Okay, now where is that Node-RED and MQTT are running? that means where is that gateway. Look here, this is a Raspberry Pi 4 which is running MQTT broker and as well as Node-RED. So where is the Node-RED? Look here, this is a Node-RED flow for this system. You can see here, this is a MQTT in node. This is another MQTT in node. This is one more. Last, there are 3 MQTT in nodes are used in this Node-RED workflow. One MQTT in is for temperature, humidity and pressure. So you can see the charts. So this is entire flow of MQTT Node-RED, and this is a dashboard for this BME280 sensor. Okay, so this as a the topic BME BME280 is a tab, and these are all the tabs. Okay, groups, these are all the groups, and this is a tab. Likewise it goes for 3 different parameters. This is a workflow. And coming to the dashboard of Node-RED, look at this. This is a dashboard of the Node-RED. It is a temperature, it's a corresponding flow chart, flow graph, and this one is a pressure data, and this is a humidity data. So all together you can see temperature, humidity and pressure. So if I hold this sensor, you can see see that humidity is varying appropriately, the pressure is also varying. It's reflecting on the dashboard. Thank you.